Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So this is episode 4 of Will This Kit Be Enough? And as you know, this whole journey is going to one of you. So if you haven't checked the rules yet, make sure to watch episode 1.
Okay, I have to say you are improving.
Oh wow, that sounds like a compliment.
Don't get too comfortable. Today's challenges are not that easy.
Alright, I'm ready.
So today's challenge is no stickers allowed.
Okay, that's interesting. Let's go. So I quickly started building this page using only scrap papers and cards from the kit. No sticker at all, just layering. And fixing everything with tape and glue to make it come together. And this is how it turned out.
No stickers but still looks complete.
Yeah, sometimes limitations actually make you more creative. You start using things differently.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, your next challenge is use only 3 items.
Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna use only these 3 items. So I picked one main pattern scrap paper, one this piece, and just one extra element to balance it out. And then I arrange everything carefully so the page still fills without actually using too much. And this is how it turned out.
Wait, how did you make this with only 3 items? That's actually amazing.
I know, right? Even I didn't expect it to turn out like this. I think when you limit yourself, you actually become more creative.
Alright, so your next challenge is balance both sides.
Okay, so I'm ready. Let's go. I kept this very simple. Whatever I placed on one side, I repeated the same on the other side. Just matching elements, shapes, and placement to create a balanced and satisfying look. And this is how it turned out.
This feels satisfying.
Yeah, when both sides are balanced, it just feels complete and peaceful. Let me show you all the pages again. So this one was about working without stickers, keeping it simple and creative. And this was about using only 3 elements. It was difficult, but it turned out amazing. And this one was all about balance, making both sides feel equal and complete. So yeah, that's it for today. I feel like every challenge is making this journal more interesting and also a little more special. And honestly, seeing so many of you participate in this series and showing so much love, it really means a lot to me. And it's actually becoming harder for me to choose just one winner. And also, let's see, will the journal finish first or the kit? And I'll see you in the next video with a few more fun challenges.
Yeah, I'll be there too, don't worry.
Alright, see you soon. Okay, bye.
Bye.